Oh, hi there guys. I thought I'd just shoot this quick video on my way to go and grab a coffee, because it occurred to me while I was walking down the road that and it was in answer to a question I had from a student the other day about how you can start online for free. And free is always a very hard way to go, but if you haven't got a blog or you haven't got anything, a website or anything like that, just use Google Docs. You can make yourself a sales page and a PayPal button, and then go off to your whatever you've created, whatever you want to tell people. You could have an affiliate link in there, or you can but if you write an article, make a video, or add people to your mailing list. So it all starts with Google Docs. I've got something that explains this in a bit more detail. If you'd like to get hold of that, let me know, and I'll post it to you and get it to you. Okay, I'll see you in another video. Have a good day. Bye now.